Hey guys, I just got this desk chair from Amazon, so I thought I would show it to you. This was super easy to put together. Only took me about maybe 10 to 15 minutes. It was really quick. All you have to do, this metal piece on the back is already attached. And then for the seat, you just have to attach the lift handle mechanism with, I think it was 4 screws, and then you attach this seat to this one, like the back of the seat to the lower part of the seat with another 4 screws. And then all of the pieces other than that just kind of go right together. So really easy to do. And they include the tools. Even the Allen wrench they had with this was really nice. Um, the cushions are really nice. And the cool thing about this chair is how wide it is. I don't know if it's as obvious in the video as a regular chair, but you really get, I think a normal chair would come to around where those button creases are. And so you get that extra width, and that really allows you to sit all kinds of ways in the chair to make it comfortable throughout your day. It's perfect for my home office. I thought I would miss having arms on the sides, but I really don't. And the way that it sits, at least for me, I'm 5'6", so I'm not super tall. I'm kind of more of an average height, but the way that this sits for me, it supports my back really well, but I can still throw an arm kind of like an elbow over the back, which is pretty sweet too. It spins all the way around. It does have like, it's not on wheels or anything, so the feet are going to stay in place, but then it does spin all the way around each way. It can just keep going. So anyway, I'm really liking it. I like how comfortable it is. I like how kind of trendy and stylish it looks. Anyway, I'm super happy with it, and I hope that helps you.